welcome to Model Car Memories episode 16. It's part 2 on the Ford Cougar II Rescue. I've got the body separated from the chassis, and the passenger side A-pillar was broken in 2 places. The driver's side A-pillar was broken in 1 place, and down at the bottom on this side of the driver's side was broken as well. I did notice previous repair right here, and then I think another place, I forgot where it was. So I'm just kind of wondering if the thing was broken and my stepdad kind of got fed up with it and stopped working on it, and that's why this model's incomplete. But I got all that off. Got to put the headlight in there. I'm waiting until the glue to dry. The wheels, see, I got one wheel still stuck here. I just noticed I've got 5 wheels. Got to get that unstuck. The front ones were a little difficult. You can see these, like I said, everything turns on this, so it's supposed to be able to turn. I don't know if the steering wheel, yeah, if you had the steering wheel on, that would turn as well. So put this back on, but it's all where I can get the where the tires have melted, and then get that taken off. Now the doors are intact. Got some melting on the plastic right there a little bit. These things fell off when I took it apart. I'll have to look in the instructions. I do have the instructions, so I'll know where to put that together. And the driver's side header came off, so that should be an easy fix, just to glue it back together. I did stop by the model store today and picked up the liquid tester cement with the brush, so it seems to be doing a lot better than the tube type for me for these little small repairs here and there. But that's just a quick update on the Cougar Rescue. Got a lot of comments from people who said that they had just bought the kit and were looking to put it together. Me just looking at this particular model and seeing it, it does look like it'd be a pretty interesting model to put together if you started it from scratch. You know, the engine's set back in here quite a ways. You got your radiator up front. You could detail. There's a fan in front of the radiator, and like I said, the front, everything, the steering on it's all complete. Let's see if I can figure out, put this back on correctly. Okay, that goes on that way. Okay, and then once the wheel's on, it's got you got this plate that goes on the back of the wheel, then another little piece of plastic that snaps on to the axle there, so that kind of keeps the wheels free rolling a little bit. So, but once I get it all the wheels cleaned up, it was there. So also, in the comments, just let me know if you like these shorter videos as opposed to the longer videos. So I'm trying something different, doing a series of bunch of short videos and giving you quick updates instead of waiting 2.5 weeks in between videos. But thanks for watching the update. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can, and click the notify so you can get the updates on the new videos as they come down. Thanks.